Welcome back, everybody. Today we're doing Shrimp Scampi, restaurant quality Shrimp Scampi at home. Super simple. Impress anybody, all your guests with it. Put it together in less than 5 minutes. As good as any restaurant you'll ever have it in. We're doing it next, so stick around.
Okay, let's get started. Restaurant quality Shrimp Scampi at home. Super simple to make and so good. All right, we got our skillet out, non-stick. We're gonna add 1 stick of butter. On medium heat, we're gonna lower that down and melt that butter down. We're gonna add a little bit of white wine. If you're not into wine, you can use a little chicken broth. And we'll give that a mix. Make sure that butter is melted down. Next, we're gonna add 2 cloves of garlic that I've minced up. And we'll let that cook for a few minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of red pepper flake because I like to add a little heat. Leave this out if you don't like heat. And if you like a lot of heat, add more. Give that a good mix. Now we're going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of celery salt and white pepper. Make sure you use white pepper, not black pepper. Makes a big difference. And we'll mix that up as well. Now I'm going to zest 1 lemon using a microplane. The easiest way I've found to zest your lemon. While I'm zesting, if you can remember to please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if you can, it really helps. Hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. Now I've got 16 to 18 to the pound shrimp. I took the shells off, but I left the tails on so you have something to grab onto when you want to eat them. So we're going to layer those down into the pan. And these are going to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And you'll see them go from this to a white color. And that means they're done. You want to be careful not to overcook shrimp because overcooked shrimp tastes like rubber. We don't like rubber. At least not to eat. So after a few minutes, we're going to roll these over and you can see the difference in the color already. And we'll cook these a few more minutes. And then we'll remove and finish making our sauce. We'll just set these to the side. All right, we're gonna, that lemon that we zested, we're gonna squeeze the juice out from that. These are seedless lemons, so we don't have to worry about seeds going into our sauce. And then I've got about 1 tablespoon of dry parsley. We'll add that. And then it's time to plate. We're just going to add our shrimp to our little boat, pour our sauce right over the top, and you are good to go. The best scampi you can make at home.